Hello student of class 9. Now I am going to discuss the continuation part of the chapter area, circle of area. I have done already sum number 4. Now I am going to start sum number 5. Farooq will draw a circle whose area will be 616 square meter. That is, we have the area is we have the area of the field. If r the radius, so pi r square equal to 616. This is according to the problem. That means r square equal to 616 by pi means 22 by 7. 22 11 2 is 22, 11 5, 11 6. This is equal to 2 8. This is equal to 7 into 4 into 7. This is equal to 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. This is r square. Therefore r equal to 7 into 2 equal to 14. And let us, by calculating next part, with length of radius will Farooq will able to draw a circle and what perimeter he will get. We have to calculate the radius of the circle and the perimeter of the circle. Then perimeter equal to 2 pi r. Perimeter equal to 2 pi r. This is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. This is equal to 2 488 88 meter. This is the required perimeter and radius equal to 14 meter. We have to find this. Sum number 6. Sum number 6 is Polash and Piali have drawn two circles. The ratio of which length of radius is 4:5. Let us write by calculating the ratio of the area of two circular field drawn by them. Here ratio of two radius, ratio of two radii, R1 and let R1 and R2 be two radii of two circles. Here it is given R1 by R2 equal to 4 by 5 and ratio of area of two circles, this is equal to pi r1 square by pi r2 square. This is equal to pi cancel out, r1 by r2 whole square. This is equal to 4 by 5 whole square. This is equal to 16 by 25. That is 16 is to 25 is the answer. Okay. Next sum is sum number 7. Sum number 7 is Sumit Reba have taken two copper wire having same length. Sumit bent the wire in the form of rectangular space and of which length and breadth is 48 centimeter and breadth equal to 40 centimeter. But Reba bent the copper wire with same length in the form of circle. Let us by calculating which will cover maximum place between the rectangle drawn by Sumit and circle drawn by Reba. Okay. Same length of wire. When it is bent in the shape of rectangle, then the perimeter of wire that is shaped of rectangle this is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, this is centimeter, this is equal to 2 into 88 equal to 176 centimeter. And next portion, when the same length of wire is bent in the shape of a circle, then 2 pi r is the radius of the circle. 2 pi r equal to 176 because the length of same. First of all, this wire is bent in the shape of rectangle, and the same wire is bent in the same shape of circle. Then radius of the circle, if radius of the circle equal to r, then 2 pi r equal to 176, that is r equal to 176 by 2 into 22 into 7, 11 and 2, 11 1 6, 2 to 4 4, 28. Okay, r equal to 28. Here next portion is what area is maximum. What area is maximum? For rectangular shape, area equal to 48 into 40 centimeter square. This is equal to centimeter. For circular shape, area equal to, for circular shape, area equal to pi r square. This is 22 by 7 into 28 into 28. This is centimeter. Okay, this is equal to 74, this is equal to 2464 centimeter square. So since the area enclosed by circular shape is greater, so the maximum area, question let us by calculating which will cover maximum place between the rectangular drawn by Sumit and circle drawn by Reba. This area is greater than this area, so circular region, area of circular region is greater than area of the rectangular region. That means maximum area covered by circle, that means Reba. Okay. Okay, I am ending here.